Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock TV step by step clearly. To activate Peacock TV, first, open your preferred web browser on any device. In the address bar, type in peacocktv.com and press enter. Once the Peacock TV homepage loads, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to log in. If you don't have an account, click on the Join Peacock button to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email, create a password, and provide any required information. After setting up your account, log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Activate section on the website. You will see a unique activation code displayed on your screen. Now, grab your streaming device, such as a smart TV, Roku, or mobile device, and launch the Peacock TV app. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to the App Store on your device and download Peacock TV. Open the app and select the Sign In or Activate option. When prompted, enter the unique activation code you obtained earlier. After entering the code, click Continue or Activate. Your device will now communicate with your Peacock TV account. You should see a confirmation message on your device once the activation is successful. Now, you can start enjoying all the content available on Peacock TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.